For this one, our value is an n, so we're going to store we're checking each of these answer choices, so we're going to start by storing a 3 in for the n. Oh, hit the wrong button. Store, and then we put it in for the n and hit enter. And now we'll go 4. We're just typing in the equation as you see it. For the equal sign, we do the second math and select 1. Because we're trying to see when n is 3, is that one a true statement? And remember, we're looking for a 1 for true. Since that one returned a 0, that means that was not the correct answer. So now we want to store a -9 for the n. Ooh, I did something wrong there. Hang on. -9 store alpha n. Oh, I hit the wrong button last time. So now we've stored the -9, and we type in that equation again. Just give it a quick check and make sure you typed it in correctly. Okay, so that returned us a 1. So G is the correct answer for this one.